What if you're told to work 70 hours in a week? If we break it down, that's roughly 14 hours of work each day during the weekdays. But wait, it's not us suggesting this. It's the global CEOs who have pitched for longer working hours. We are talking about Elon Musk, Jack Ma, and even the tech titan Narayan Murthy. Narayan Murthy, the founder of Infosys, who has set the internet ablaze with his call for a 70-hour work week. Appearing on a podcast, Mr. Narayan Murthy pointed out that India's work productivity is one of the lowest in the world and asked the youth to contribute towards building the culture so that India can compete effectively on the global stage. He also drew parallels with Japan and Germany, both of which implemented extended working hours after World War II. But it's important to note that he's not the only corporate leader to suggest such a concept. Bhavish Agarwal, the CEO of Ola, supported Mr. Narayan Murthy's advice, expressing on X that this is an opportune moment for us to put an extraordinary effort and achieve in one generation what other countries have accomplished over many generations. Additionally, a few years ago, Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, endorsed the controversial 996 rule in China's tech industry. The number 996 here refers to working from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 6 days in a week, and this is said to be common among the country's big technology companies and startups. He also stated that employees who put in longer hours would reap the rewards of their hard work. However, it ended up receiving a lot of criticism from Chinese social media users. Even the world's richest man, Elon Musk, made a similar statement when he assumed control of X, formerly known as Twitter, urging his staffs to work more than 100 hours in a week. In fact, a picture of a Twitter employee sleeping in the office floor went viral following Musk's statement. Similarly, Shantanu Deshpande, the CEO of Bombay Shaving Company, conveyed in a LinkedIn post that newcomers should dedicate 18 hours a day to their work. While these leaders emphasize the value of hard work and dedication, it's equally crucial to recognize that work-life balance, individual well-being, and personal fulfillment also holds immense significance. The ideal work hours may differ from person to person, and there's no one-size-that-fits-all solution.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to Mirror Now.